In this video we can check performance of a charger that comes with Huawei Nova Y90, and we'll do this by plugging in the charger to this custom smart socket, and it should send the statistics onto this device on the left. So now let's try connecting everything to the phone. So now onto the device. And right here we should see the statistics in about 30 seconds. So I think the statistics just stabilized and they should be in around this. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.